Hello, boys and girls. This is the Morning Gardening Show, and I'm getting up early this morning, showing you, just checking out things in my little greenhouse. And this little heater here, um, keeps tripping the breaker. I moved these over here so that I could use this as you can see. I got my little greenhouse here. This is the Morning Gardener, just in case you weren't sure. This little greenhouse here, the seeds have been in there. And again, I did it again. I didn't put the date where I put these in there. Didn't put them in there. Didn't put the date up. So I don't know when. I got my 2 gallons of plant food. Cheap. I think they're 2 cents worth. I do this because I'm saving cost. Then we have a stack of old cups here. You know, I don't want to break into the new cups yet. These are trays that were 50 cents each. Now they go for about $6 each. You get the small ones here and the large ones. I like to use them. But this year, let's see what we're talking about here. This year, if you want them air prune, you would get these cups here and use a hot device to put holes all around the sides of them. And I think I'm going to do that all around the sides so they can air prune. And that's the next step I'm going to. But I want to create a device that I could use I could heat up and poke holes in them, you know, multiple holes all at once. So that's what I'm going to try next. And once I do that, this cup will be real fancy because it will allow you to air prune. They're not regular drain holes, but we're going to put holes all in the sides of these, all the way around each cup, and we're going to cause massive root grow to those cups. And if you decide to do this, I want you to put your video up. And when you see it, when I see it, I'll know immediately where you got it from, because no one's doing it right now, really. I mean, they're not doing it. I've looked around at tons of videos, and no one's doing it. So I want to see people doing that so they can, you know, get better growth. Imagine a plant with hundreds more roots than it would normally have in a cup. Your plants are going to grow faster. They're going to grow stronger, and they're going to be a lot more roots on these plants. So give it a try, folks. Give it a try. This is the Morning Gardener, trying to make things easier, trying to make things better. Now, this heater here is on. This here is my little trays. Let's see what we got over here. Let's go look at the temperature in this room. I guess you can see that, hopefully. Temperature is going up. But I'm not starting any plants right now. I just want to test this heater out. It's been on for 20 minutes, and the heat is changing in this room. This room is my grow room. It's outside of the house. All right, boys and girls, it's the Morning Garden Show.